fire and the coffee and the adventure of the great outdoors.
And when we come back, we'll join up with some cowboys on the Carrisa Plains. It's 4 days of roughing it out on the Carrisa Plain. The goal is to drive cattle to the Mid-State Fair. The adventure comes with hearty meals, Western hospitality, and music.
Cowboy hats and boots are not optional. Six-shooter Bonnie Ernst takes us along for the ride.
Morning. We started this thing just as a kind of reenact the Old West and kind of live some of the old past, and it's really turned out good. We've been doing it for 7 years now, and everybody really enjoys it.
Most important thing today is the talent contest. The most important thing today is everybody's got to perform, and if they have talent, they're not allowed to perform. But if they don't have any talent, we want to see them.
This is the best because these guys are real ranchers. This is their entire family moving it. And I feel like I'm a Twisselman while I'm here because they treat you like a member of the family, and they even tease you like a member of the family.
Yeah, we go right over the hill right there in the pass. You get a unique experience in this day and age, and you get a chance to play John Wayne and really relive part of the Old West, which everybody seems to be wanting nowadays. They kind of like that idea. And you get a lot of good companionship. You meet a lot of real nice people and just an overall good time.
For miles and takes away my troubles and my cares.
Yeah. There's one.
I think God must be a cowboy at heart, 'cause he made wide open spaces from the start. And a horse to be a friend, and trails to lead old cowboys home again.
Well, my job has kind of changed since I started, and my job now is to take credit for what everybody else does. And it's kind of a neat job, and I'm doing a pretty good job of that.
I think God must be a cowboy.
Oh, God, that was wonderful.
Daryl's got the right attitude.
Exactly. That does it for Action News at 6 o'clock. We thank you for watching.
Good night, everybody. Have a nice weekend.